Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to connect a keyboard and mouse to a Sceptre monitor, step-by-step connection setup. Connect peripherals to computer. Plug your keyboard and mouse directly into your PC or laptop ports rather than the monitor. Establish video signal. Link the Sceptre monitor to your computer using an HDMI or DisplayPort cable to display your screen. Use upstream cable. If using the monitor's built-in USB ports, connect an additional USB upstream cable from the monitor to the computer. Method 1. Standard desktop setup. Plug your wired USB keyboard and mouse or your wireless USB dongle directly into the vacant USB port on your computer tower or motherboard. Connect the Scepter monitor to the graphics card or motherboard using an HDMI or DisplayPort cable. Method 2. Laptop and docking setup. Connect your Scepter monitor to your laptop's HDMI or USB-C video output port. Plug your keyboard and mouse directly into the available USB-A or USB-C slots on the laptop. If your laptop lacks sufficient inputs, connect a multi-port USB hub or docking station to your laptop first, then route your peripherals to the hub. Method 3. Bluetooth wireless setup. If you're using Bluetooth peripherals, pair the keyboard and mouse directly via the operating system, settings menu, Windows or Mac OS on your host computer. Ensure your Scepter monitor is active and selected as the main or secondary display. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.